Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Lenovo took the market by storm when it announced the 16-inch Legion Pro and Ideapad Pro devices. The Legion 5 Pro 16-inch device happened to be the sweet spot for gamers. The Ideapad 5 Pro 16-inch is a lightweight laptop for gaming and multimedia creation. The Ideapad 5 Pro is one of the most powerful Ideapad laptops the company has ever made. The 5 Pro looks similar to MacBook Pro 16-inch and a Lenovo ThinkPad X1. It has rounded corners, narrow display bezels, and a clean-looking keyboard deck, and the lid of the Apple machine. Whereas, the reasonably generous port selection and keyboard design of the Lenovo laptop. The lower half of the Ideapad 5 Pro is more of a trapezoid shape on the bottom than the MacBook Pro. It is entirely made out of metal, and has an excellent build quality. It comes in cloud gray and storm gray colors, once again similar to the MacBook Pro. Overall, it looks a slightly smarter and more premium takes on the standard Ideapad 5 laptop. The Ideapad 5 Pro comes with options for either 14-inch or 16-inch displays. There are two display options, a 60Hz and a 120Hz refresh rate. This device can be configured with an H-series AMD Ryzen mobile processor and GeForce RTX GPUs. You can also get up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and 1 TB of SSD M.2 storage. I will leave links in the description below for more information, and where you can buy one. The Lenovo Ideapad 5 Pro 16-inch is affordable and durable, but is it good value? Let's take a look at what you're getting for your money. Lenovo Ideapad 5 Pro. The Ideapad 5 Pro 16-inch laptop is Lenovo's decent value-orientated laptop. At first glance, you might expect Ideapad 5 Pro to be a much pricier laptop than it is. This laptop offers a great deal for both processor and memory. This device also has great features and a classic design for professional users. It ensures all tasks are always handled smoothly and efficiently. It runs quietly during the heavy workload and maintains good thermals throughout. So it fits perfectly for working professionals, content creators, and gamers. The Ideapad 5 Pro is one of the most affordable laptops for creatives on the market right now. Design. The Ideapad 5 Pro is made entirely of metal, and it has a nice exterior in terms of looks. The metallic glossy Lenovo branding is engraved on the top right corner of the laptop lid. The 16-inch model is equipped with a powerful Intel or AMD processor. It comes in two different color combinations, the standard silver variant, or the darker gray model. The silver variant shows a lot fewer fingerprints than the darker gray model, even though it is pretty thin and super rigid, with almost no flex in the lid or the base. The two hinges are placed pretty far away from each other, which provides extra stability. The sturdy hinges keep the screen in place and push it back to almost 180 degrees. Additionally, you can open the lid easily with a single hand, while the motion is fluid. The grippy rubber feet on the bottom allow for good stability on the desk. The bottom panel reveals the speaker cutouts and the rather large ventilation grille. This 16-inch model is 18.4 mm thin and weighs about 4.1 pounds. The Ideapad 5 Pro is a fairly balanced device in overall size, thickness, and weight. The build quality is good, and it feels great whenever you are carrying it. Display. The screen is one of the major selling points of this Ideapad 5 Pro 16 series. The Ideapad 5 Pro has a 16-inch 2.5K QHD IPS display, with 2560x1600 resolution. The 16-inch models will also have a 120Hz refresh rate, or 60Hz refresh rate option. The higher refresh rates will enable the user to have a smoother work experience. The matte finish ensures minimal glare and wide viewing angles. It has narrow bezels as well, giving a 90% screen-to-body ratio. The screen-to-body ratio is pretty high, which results in very thin bezels. The thin bezels provide you with extra space for productivity and multitasking. The display is excellent, with decent color accuracy and minimal backlight bleed. The viewing angles are excellent, and the contrast ratio is outstanding. The 16-inch model comes with a brightness of 350 nits. The 350 nits are more than enough brightness to be working in bright daylight. The display has a 96% sRGB color gamut, which is great for games and movies. The color coverage is up to 71% in Adobe RGB, and 73% in DCI-P3 standards. This profile makes a decent choice for those content creators that do color grading and video editing. This is also a well-balanced display for everyday office use, multitasking, and school projects. Performance. The Ideapad 5 Pro 16-inch brings options of either Intel or AMD CPUs. The AMD-powered Ideapad 5 Pro 16-inch is equipped with a Ryzen 5 5600H processor. The 8GB of DDR4 RAM can help perform and execute your tasks smoothly. It is also equipped with 512GB of fast SSD, and Radeon Vega 6 GPU embedded into the AMD APU. The max clock speed of 4.2 is quite effective in boosting the overall performance of this laptop. The higher tier models are also available, but the better value is in this affordable model. Since the thermal is similar in all configurations, it allows for quieter fans and perfect temperatures. The fans rest completely silent, with light use on intelligent cooling. You can also run games on intelligent cooling mode, which slightly lowers the fan noise. The average temperature stays within the safe zone, hence it doesn't suffer from thermal throttling issues. It provides solid performance for everyday tasks like web surfing and streaming videos. Both the content creators and gamers stand to gain decent performance from Ideapad 5 Pro. This device is comparable to the Dell XPS lineup and the MacBook Pro M1 variant. The Lenovo Vantage app offers access to power profiles, keyboard customization, and battery settings. Keyboard. The keyboard featured on this laptop is a backlit chiclet type with a number pad. The number crunchers will definitely enjoy the number pad while working with Excel spreadsheet. The keys are very flat and smooth, with transparent alphabets. The keys have very short key travel, but it still has good tactile feedback. The keyboard will make you feel comfortable to type on for extended periods. This fantastic keyboard will give you an enjoyable typing and gaming experience. It does have a multi-stage backlight that allows you to get work done in a dark room. Touchpad. The touchpad on the Ideapad 5 Pro 16-inch is roughly around 12 by 7.5 centimeters in size. It is a medium-sized trackpad that sits slightly off-center below the keyboard. It provides a very smooth surface, making it very easier for the fingers to glide on. The precision touchpad is very responsive, and the two-finger scrolling was buttery smooth. Connectivity. Despite a relatively slim build, there's still enough room for a decent port selection. You get a power port, an HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, and the combo audio jack on the left. The right side of the laptop houses full-sized SD card reader, and two USB Type-A ports. The USB Type-C port is fully functional, regarding data charge and display out. It also features Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. Lenovo has included enough ports, as you would not have to carry any dongles. There's no fingerprint scanner, or Thunderbolt 4 support. Battery. There's a 75 watt-hours battery inside this 16-inch device, which is much better than its competitors. Also inside the package, Lenovo supplies some paper manuals, and a 135 watts charger. The Ideapad 5 Pro manages to deliver 8 hours of battery life on a full charge. The rapid charge can give you 3 hours worth of laptop use in 15 minutes. Also, the full charge takes about 2.5 hours, with quick charging feature. The battery will last long enough to get you through a day's work. Speakers. The audio is handled by stereo speakers that fire through grills on the underside. They are placed on the sides, and rounded shape panel makes the sound to bounce off the table. The speakers produce decent sound quality, but you can hardly feel punch and bass. If you want a more enhanced audio experience, definitely use a good pair of headphones. Webcam. The display bezels are surprisingly slim, but they still hold a 720p webcam. This webcam delivers satisfactory image quality, and is good for video calls and Zoom meetings. This 720p webcam will facilitate facial recognition logins through Windows Hello. Operating system. The Ideapad 5 Pro runs on Windows 10, and later you can upgrade it to Windows 11. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The Ideapad 5 Pro left no room for criticism regarding rigidity, stability, and durability. This device is an all-around full-size laptop, for daily use and multitasking. It offers sturdy build quality, a clean design, and a versatile 16:10 high-resolution screen. It also comes with competent specs, cool thermal design, and long battery life. The laptop is powerful enough to run games, and the 120Hz display makes it smoother and more enjoyable. You can enjoy accurate keystrokes of its precisely engineered keyboard with backlighting. It provides hardware-accelerated ray tracing, AI capabilities for creators who need next-level performance. It is perfect for streaming and entertainment, with amazing visuals on its up-to QHD display. You get some compromises in the port selection and audio quality. The screen-to-body ratio of 90% is also helpful for gamers and multimedia creators. The Ideapad 5 Pro is also intended for office work and college students. If you find one available, we heartily recommend picking it up. The base price of Lenovo Ideapad 5 Pro 16-inch starts at $730, approximately 55,000 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews, plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.